to show you how I got these super cute boho French curl braids. Keep on watching. So I received this hair from an Amazon seller. Absolutely love the French curl braids. And then I went ahead and added in pieces of the French curl hair to achieve this boho look. I did receive 8 packs of the hair, and I still have 1 full pack and a half pack or 3/4 of a pack left. So I used about 5.5, not even quite 5.5 for this look. I'm gonna give you a quick 360 and we're gonna get right into the tutorial. comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.